All right, today we are checking out this kids playset from UNICOO that we got from Amazon. This one is the white and gray model, and it's kind of a picture of it right there. But I'll show you what's inside this box before I open it up and get everything laid out, and I'll get it put together and I'll let you know how the quality of it is and if it's easy to put together or if it takes all day. But here's what's inside of the package. I already cut the tape. I cut the tape to make this easy. Open up the box. We have all these pieces here in a bag. Right on top we do have this user manual. And looking inside, it looks like there's step-by-step instructions to put it together. So it should be pretty easy. I'll go ahead and get everything out of the box and get it put together. Here's the playset all together, and as you can see, my knee right here is about the top of the platform, so it's not super tall, but it is, for like a small child, it is big. Went together pretty easy, took me about 45 minutes, just looking at the pictures and putting it together. It's not real big, doesn't take up a lot of room. You can easily just grab it and move it. And you can also keep it outside. It's all plastic, but it's definitely high quality. The finish on it's real nice. There's no sharp edges. There's nothing sharp that's gonna hurt you or give you slivers or anything like that. And you also got the little toys right here and the little basketball hoop and the little horns there for the rings. Comes with those too. You can throw on there. And there's a couple different spots you can mount them. And on this side, I'll pull this out. We do have the stairs. They are nice and heavy duty. And just all around a really good playset for kids, if you ask my opinion. But I would definitely recommend it if you're looking for one of these. And everything when you do assemble it is labeled. And it's also a good learning thing for kids, like that, 1, 2, 3. And the color of it is really nice. But here the whole thing is. And if you are looking for one of these, I would definitely recommend this one. And I almost forgot, it does have this dry erase board right here. And you can flip this to have it on the inside or the outside. But it comes with the 3 colors and the dry erase. Eraser to use on there, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, all around pretty good product. If you're looking for a playset like this, I would definitely recommend this one.